everyone, this is Codro. As usual, another day, another lead code, and today we're gonna do the lead code problems as usual. So I think today we're gonna do some 2 pointers like yesterday problems. And yeah, let's go. So before starting, this is my social media account. Don't forget to follow me on my social media account. You can find my LinkedIn, my GitHub, my Instagram on the YouTube bio. And let's go. Okay, so let's get rid of this. And this is the lead code. Okay, so we're gonna start with the is subsequence. I think I already solved this, but I really don't remember when. So, and I don't have anything here, so I'm just gonna warm up with this, and then what to solve. We are on the 2 pointers, so we're gonna try to do one of those, the 2 sum or the 3 sum. Okay, so let's go. So yeah, we have the is subsequence. Let's draw. Let's bring this. This is yesterday problem, and divide this into 2. Okay, let's go. So we have two string s and t. We have to return true if s is subsequence or t of t or false. Okay, so s have to be subsequence of t, otherwise we're gonna return false. So subsequence string, new string that's formed from the original string by deleting some can be known of the character can be known. Okay, so s can be t. Okay, so let's just take some notes. Okay, so this is not working. Okay, so have t is a string and s is his subsequence, so s have to be a part of t, or t can be equal s. Okay, so of the characters without stripping the relative position of the main characters, a is subsequent of a, b, c, d, e. Okay, while I is not. Okay, a, b, c, t, a, hash, true. Okay, so have t. Let's select this. I need it. We have t equal a, h, b, g, d, and c. I have s. Let's write it. Equal a, b, c. Okay, so we have those letter a and b and c. So with that, s is subsequence of t. Okay, x, c, a, h, b, c. Oh, okay. So I think this is not hard. So we solve by checking. I think the most classic way is to make 2 pointers, I here and g here. Then if this is the same, if they're opposite, if those equal, we're gonna increment g and increment t. If it's not, we're gonna only increment g. Okay, so let's start with this. We have the primary idea. Okay, so we have 2 pointers, I and g equals 0, 0. So I think we have a while what? While g, I think. Okay, while g is we have 2 parentheses. While g is lower than the length of t, then have two conditions. If what else? Okay. So what is it if t of g equal s of I, then t of g equal s of I. Or live, yeah. Then we're gonna increment both. Okay, so g plus equal 1 and I plus equal 1. Else we're gonna only increment g plus equal 1. Yeah. Okay, in every iteration I'm gonna print okay, g equal g equal g and I equal I, just to no, and t of g equal g t of g and this of I equal s of I. I'm just gonna print this. Okay, just gonna run it to no. Okay, so here we have a, then we're gonna increment hash b c hash b. Okay, so when we know if the words are I2 0 1 2 1 2 3 okay, so I think then if len of if g equal len of t and I equal len of s equal and then return true, otherwise false. So let's see. Okay, we're good. I think we're good. Okay, so let's just submit it and see. Okay, staying out of range. Okay, so I think I'm gonna delete this. Let's just comment it. String endings out of range. Okay, so let's see why is that. This case, I want to use this case. Run it. Oh, if it's okay, so I think we have to like no have two like primary cases. So if can be none. Okay, so okay. So substitution string of a new string, that's one by dealing sum can be known. Okay, so if the two words are initially equal, then we don't have to like compare. Okay, so s equal t, then return true. If okay, so what is this supposed to? If it's like if s equal like an empty string, so it's a subsequence. So I'm gonna return true. I don't understand anything. Okay, so I'm just gonna delete this index out of range. S. Plus equal 1, plus equal 1. Why? If. Okay. S. Please don't understand. Okay, S of I. S of I is out of range. We are out of range. Everything. Why it's out of range? I is 0. T of G S of I. Oh, there is no. Oh, there is no 0. Oh, okay. Return. What is true? Return. Return. Okay. Okay, the false. Okay, so I'm gonna add a new one if like len of t equal 0, then I think I have to return false. Okay, so this is right. There's no video, don't think. Why the out of range thing? Okay. Can I use this? Okay, let's focus on this mail. Zero one. Okay. IG. Which is this? 1 2. Okay. So then we're not gonna do. Okay. So if it's if the equivalent of S. I think I have to make it here. I'm not understanding anything. Okay, so it's out of range because this is 1. Because this is 1. Okay? I is 1. And I have only one character. And it's out of range. Oh, okay, while G and I is less than, it's smaller than len of s. Okay, so let us run it. Okay, so it's false. Why it's false? Because this is 0 and this is, okay, so this is 0 plus 1. I think I need to add plus 1. Okay, so this is 0, the length is 1. And this is is 3. I think I'm gonna add plus 1 plus 1. Because it's 0 and exists. So oh no, I equals 0. So I think it's minus 1. But there is some, I really don't think this is gonna work because it's already like working and giving us true. Yeah. Okay. Okay, so let's see why it's working right here and it's not working there. Okay. This is supposed to be easy and I think already solved. Okay, so B. So I is in the last. Okay, so I'm gonna make it. Okay, so if T of G is in the last, like, no. Okay, so I'm gonna make this. Okay. I'm gonna make this here plus 1. I'm gonna make this here. This is gonna be this. And then this is, if it's not like true, it's gonna return false. It's out of a. T of G is not S of I. 0 0 1 I 1. That's 1. I and G. Y is incremented by 2. What is going on here? What is going on here? Oh, Elif. Okay, so it's working here, but it's not working there. Okay, so 0 0 and 1 B. So it's incremented 1 B. Okay, so it's B, and then if G return true equal n. Oh, it doesn't have to be the old word. Okay. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. I suppose here that the last letter here has to be last year, but it can be like in the middle. So okay, okay, okay. I think um what what do I have to do? Um, I think I'm gonna increment one when. Okay, so I has to reach its end. Okay, so I has to reach its end, but G not. Okay, and if G is lower or equal, so I think that can be true. Okay, so let's try to submit it. Oh, the runtime is shit. But we solved it. Yeah, that's cool. So our time complexity is ON. Yeah, it's ON, and our runtime is shit. Okay, so let's see the other solution. What did the other did? What did the other do? Okay, example T code here is samples. What is okay? So we're good. Edge case. If S is longer than yeah, 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 yeah. Python. Okay. So if S then later false, if S equals 0 false. So those are edge cases, and then he defined a constant equals 0. So for I in range 0 length T, if subsequence is lower than ln of S minus 1. Okay, so he's gonna increment T. He's gonna iterate through T and subsequence of S minus 1 is lower than it doesn't reach the end of S yet. Okay, so print the S of subsequence. So subsequence 0, print of 0, the first letter. If S of subsequence is equal I, he's gonna increment by 1. Okay, so and at the end he has to reach the length of the subsequence, which is okay. So it's pretty similar, but I think our like solution is more like it's clearer and more readable. I think yeah. Well, it's good. It's good. Okay, so first problem is good. Let's go with this. It's about 23 minutes. Yeah, we're good. Okay, so given a one indexed array of integer numbers that's already sorted in a non-decreasing order. Okay, find two numbers such that they add up to a specific target number. Let these two numbers be numbers index 2. Okay, where one return the indices of the two numbers, index 1 index 2, added by one integer. These are generated so they are exactly one solution. You may not use the same element twice. Okay, so we have numbers here, and the first element to the sum of it will be the target. We're gonna like put in a list and then print it or return it. Yeah, I think that's pretty easy. Okay, 2 4 6 1 3 minus 1 0. I think this is pretty easy. Well, I don't want like to make a two for loops because we're gonna. Okay, so let me just explain to you. Okay, yo. Okay. So here we have our two lists, or our list 2, 7, 11, 5, and we have our target, which is 9. So let's say we have 2 pointers, I and G. So the classic way is to fix I every time, and then increment the other rest with G, and then we move I to the next element, and then we move G. But this method gonna cost us its runtime is expensive, so it's gonna be n 2. So I'm not gonna use this. I have to make it less expensive. So let's say we have 2, 7, 11, and 15, and you have 9. So the list is sorted. Okay. How to? Okay. So I'm gonna make like a pointer from here and a pointer from here, I think. Okay, and the target is 9. Okay, so if I plus G, so the first iteration, I plus G is 2 plus 15, which is 17. 17 is larger than or greater than 9. And the biggest element, what happened? Did you got a job? I'm still a student. Hi, like you are first viewer here. Hi. Okay, so I'm still a student, and I got an internship. I got an internship in a company that I liked, and the internship was pretty good actually. Yeah, thank you for watching, and hopefully this year also I have another internship. It begins in January, and I'm hopefully gonna find one. Okay, so we said 2 plus 15 is 17 is greater than 9, so we have to decrement the G. Okay, so we're gonna decrement it to 11. Now we have 2 plus 11, which is 13, still greater than 9, so we're gonna decrement it another time until 2 plus 7, which is 9. It's equal 9, so we're gonna return those two elements. Okay, so let's say we have, thank you man, welcome stream. Let's say we have a list. Another example, give me another example. 2 and 4, no, I don't need this. Let's say we have a list 2, 3, 7, and 11. Okay, and our target is 18. Okay, 18. Okay, so we have 2 plus 11, which is here and here. 2 plus 11 will be 13. 13 is lower than 18, so we're gonna increment the I. So the condition are if I plus G is lower than our target, then is lower than our target, so we're gonna increment the I. And if I plus G is greater than target, so we're gonna decrement the G, and else we're gonna return our two elements. Hi, welcome stream. Hi man. Okay, so let's start. Okay, So I'm gonna define two elements ing 0 0. So while, okay, so while I'm gonna make it while true. Okay, so let's say while true, and then we're gonna discover if we have a condition, or while I plus g equal I plus g is not equal to target. It's not I plus g, is the list of ig. Oh, can I hack you? Yeah, for sure. If while s is our, oh, we have to make it in a list. Okay, so I think we have to define another list. We're gonna say it's target. So if numbers of I plus numbers of g, make sure you click. Oh, the nightbot. The nightbot is working. Okay, so if it's not the target, we're gonna I'm gonna continue. So I have two conditions. If numbers of I, if numbers of g is greater than our target, then we're gonna decrement g. Oh, g has to be from the end. Okay, so is then of numbers minus 1. Then we're gonna decrement so we're gonna decrement g minus 1, and then if numbers is lower than the target, we're gonna increment the I plus equal 1. Else if like numbers are equal target, so we're gonna return, I think we don't need the result. Okay, return numbers of I and numbers of g. If it has to be, yeah, so it has to be, so there is no like a condition if there is not the closing parentheses. Oh, yeah. I think we have to make like edge list. Okay, null. Else return. Okay, so I'm gonna print it every time. So print I and g. Let's say I and g for now. Okay, so 0, 0, 3 and 2. Okay, 0, 1, 2. Okay, so we're good. Okay. Okay, so I think I'm gonna make this condition. If equal. I think I'm gonna make this into parentheses, and this is also, and this here. Man. Okay, so in this case we are good. Why there is no print here? Okay. So I think the while, um, I'm gonna make it while true to test it. Okay. Yeah. Okay. If if return, it's gonna always return two and set two plus seven. Oh, it's not numbers. It's I. It's I. The index. It's actually the I plus one and the G plus one. Yeah, it's I plus one and G plus one. We're good. We're good. Okay, so let's submit it. Let's see. Yo. Okay, so it's good, but the runtime is always horrible. Okay. Uh, I have to like focus on more like optimizing the solution rather than find the solution itself. Okay, so let's see what other people that Python different solution Java 2 pointers dictionary. Okay, the 2 pointers left and right, the while this and s, if s equal target then return. Okay, so same thing, the dictionary, how to use it. So for I nums in enumerate. Okay, so if you don't know the enumerate thing, so the enumerate function in Python. So if we have a dictionary that is like uh, uh, zero car, one bus, two like airplane. So in enumerate we have two variables like he did here. So I and num. I goes for the key, which are 0, 1, and 2, and num will be car, bus, and airplane. So we're gonna iterate through the keys and the value of the dictionary. So if target minus num for I enumerate numbers. Okay. When I enumerate numbers, indic if target num indic target minus num. Oh, break level. Okay. Yo, this is cool actually. Okay. So I see it. Okay, so let's say we have the list 2, 3, 7, and 11, and our target is 9. So we're gonna like sum those two. So he enumerated it into a dictionary. So our keys per default are I think the keys here. Okay, so 2 like 0, 3, 0, 7, 0, and 11. 11 0. This is a dictionary. So every time he iterate through the dictionary, he's gonna subtract the the number from the dictionary. So here we have num. Here actually you have the index of the list. So it's 0, 1, 2, and 3. And here we have the values, which is 2, 3, 7, and 11. So every time he's gonna subtract the target, which is 9. He's gonna subtract the first value, which is 2. So it's 7. Okay? And 7, it's in the dictionary, which is here. So he said he's gonna subtract target minus num in dictionary. If in dictionary, then he's gonna return the index of I and the index of G and the index of I. And yeah, this is it. Binary search, I think we don't. Binary search. Okay, temporary. So he's gonna make a and mid he's gonna make a intermediate variable in the mid and see if the target or if the desired number is on the left. So if it's lower, he's gonna increment the left, and if it's greater, he's gonna decrement the right. It's like pretty much the same solution as we did, but our solution, I think it's more like readable. It's not optimized as the other did, but it's readable and it's good. And yeah, okay, so it's now about 41 minutes. I think this is the end of stream. Thank you everyone. This was all today. Don't worry, you have like every day you have a live and you have a video, so stay tuned for other lives. Don't forget to follow me on my social media account. Don't forget to comment on this video if you want me to do like more content like this. Thank you everyone, and see you tomorrow.